So now we'll start with the class A power amplifier, second one, that is transformer coupled class A amplifier. So before starts with the transformer coupled, let us understand what is transformer here. Okay, so as shown in the transformer circuit, it is a step down transformer. Okay, so what it contains, primary winding which is known as N1, secondary winding which is known as N2, and the voltage across the primary winding is V1 and the voltage across secondary winding is V2, where I1 is the current flows across the primary winding, I2 is the current flows across the secondary winding. Then there is a load like a loudspeaker is connected across the secondary winding. Okay, now we'll discuss how or what is the role of this transformer which is used in a class A amplifier. Okay, so first we'll start some discussion here. That is, as I said, N1 primary turn, N2 secondary turn, V1 primary voltage, V2 secondary voltage. And we know that the primary winding is always greater than secondary winding for a step down transformer. So now, as we know that the turns ratio formula is always given by small n equals to N2 by N1. In terms of voltage, we can say that V2 by V1, which is always equals to N2 by N1, which is equals to N. Similarly, in terms of current also, I1 by I2 equals to N here. Now, so using all these relations, okay, using all these relations, we are going to find the important resistance here across the primary winding. Okay, as I know that RL is the load from the loudspeaker which is across the secondary winding, and this RL will reflected back at the primary winding as RL dash, which are shown here. Okay, so this is the resistance which is reflected back at the primary winding of a step down transformer. Now we will find this RL dash in terms of turns ratio and load resistance RL, okay, using the relations which are shown here. Okay, now, so to do that, what I am going to do, first we will write across the secondary turns, the load impedance RL is given by RL equals to V2 by I2. So while the reflected impedance on the primary turn, that is RL dash, is given by RL dash equals to V1 by I1. So these two relations are based on Ohm's law. Now I am going to determine the value of RL dash in terms of turns ratio and resistance RL. So now to do that, what I am going to do, so first here we need to find out in RL dash, we have the voltage V1 and current I1. Now I have to find out the value of V1 and I1. Substitute in this equation to simplify this, we will get RL dash. So now that is shown here. So you know that V1 equals to V2 by N, because N equals to V2 by V1. Similarly, I1 equals to N into I2, because N equals to I1 by I2. Now substitute equation 3 and 4 in equation 2. This is the equation 2 here. So in this equation, I am going to substitute 3 and 4. So what I will get? I will get RL dash equals to V2 by N divided by N into I2. Then rearrange this. Then I will get this as V2 by I2 into 1 by N2 or 1 by N square. Okay. Now where V2 by I2 is nothing but what? RL. So now you can write that RL dash is nothing but RL divided by N square. So this is we have obtained in terms of turns ratio and load resistance RL across the secondary winding, where RL dash is reflected load across the primary winding. This is also written in terms of N1 by N2 because N is nothing but N2 by N1. So this is about the transformer which is used in the topic transformer coupled class A amplifier. Now I am going to use this transformer which is directly coupled at the collector terminal of the circuit of a transformer coupled class A amplifier, that we are going to discuss in the next video. Thank you.